Hey y'all, we just got to my family event. It's a family unity day. I finally made it to Ocala. And this is my cousin Malia. That is my mom and my stepdad. We're all here. You look gorgeous. You get my videos together. Hey monkey. Papa Jack, looking clean.
Warm welcome. Yes. All right. Hey, y'all. Everybody put your hands up like this here. Turn to your neighbor. Tell them you love them.
I love
Say, thank God.
Thank God.
This is not a funeral.
This is not a funeral.
Thank God.
Thank God.
This is not a funeral.
This is not a funeral.
Thank God.
Thank God.
This is not a funeral.
This is not a funeral.
Okay. That'll work, right? Hey, listen, we want to cordially invite you guys. It's been a lot of I ain't gonna say sleepless nights, but it's been these people here. These people here are amazing. Just linking up. Come on, give them a clap. Give them a
With his character.
Yeah, my name is Deshaun, and these my main son. These are my two sons, Zaire and Demetrius.
I'm Missy.
Auntie.
My husband was here. I don't think that now, but his name is John.
This is my daughter. These are my nieces. This is my sister. This is my mammy. And Shanika Williams is my mama. Shout out to her. And then Frankie May is my grandma, y'all. And this is my other grandma.
My grandfather is Sandra Donaldson. My mother is right there, Strawberry, as Shalicia. This is my little brother, aka my little son, and this is my fiance, Quay.
Hi, I'm Alizé. I am Mamie's daughter. This is my boyfriend and our son Tristan over there.
Awesome man of God, an awesome preacher, and I know you went to heaven. These are his nieces. Some of his nephews have passed away, Sumter Jr., Robert Jr., but all of you carry on the legacy of the Donaldson family. Let's give the Donaldson family applause. I was married into the family back in 74, 76, and I was married to Sumter Donaldson the second, and my son was the third, Sumter Donaldson the third, which both has passed away. And I'm just so glad to see each and every one of y'all once again. So we don't never know when God gonna pick one of us, but it's God is good to see each other while we are still here. And we got together for no funeral. And we just thank God for each and every one of you all. And then, of course, my grandmother, Carrie Donaldson, was the older sister of Sumter Donaldson and all the rest of the siblings. It's one of, it's always good to come with family. I know we don't get together very often, but I'm glad we were able to get together, like she said, instead of a funeral or something, heartbreaking. So this is a good start, and I hope we can come together very often and bring the others that are, missing today, and, have the rest too. So, I love everybody. Thank you.
Love you too. Hey y'all, this is I hope you guys all enjoyed my vlog. We finally made it back to our destination. We had a great time. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, like, comment, share. Because there's more to come. I mean, it's more to come because I'm a little goofball. So it's more to come. Love y'all. Peace.